going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is a continue of the last video. So in this video, I am going to be doing the install of the floor mat. This should be a quick video, simple install, nothing major. They're just floor mats. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Let's see what we got in the inside of the bag, and we'll take it from there. This is the packaging that it comes in. These are the instructions here. I'm not sure what that is, but black with the green, nothing major. You know what I'm saying? Something simple. Just to make the inside stand out a little bit more. So open it up. This is the kick plate or whatever. I think it goes this way. One of them. So it's the kick plate. Both of these go this passenger side, and this here is the driver's side. Sorry about the mess. And they also have like the little button, like a button or something like that. I don't know. So the instructions here, I read them over, so I know exactly what to do. So let me get my light on here. So I got my light on here. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. That's the reason why I'm putting these mats down. So with this, as you can see, it lays straight down in here. So you have these two, I don't even know what to call them, buckle type things that press and play. It's like the little button that be on your shorts or something like that. So you have those that has to be pressed down in place. So what I'll do is I'll get the little hardware, which here goes out. And it looks like these. So these have to be screwed down into the slingshot, and once they're screwed down, these little buckle things here snaps right on top of them, so they don't move or whatever. So go ahead and get that started. So you got the screw in right there. So the screw in. We'll get this aligned as straight as you possibly can. See how it goes all the way down. This all gets sprayed out once I go wash it, but don't judge me, fuckers. So, so we got the drill bit here, and get that down, and then get the first one. Got that, see how it went down. Get that out. And then we'll, so you got one hole there. So you got one premature hole there. Get that out of the way. And there we go. So we have the screw with the screwdriver. Get that on down in there. Let's see if I can get that down screwed till it stops. Don't want to over tighten it. Just make sure that it's snugged. And we'll take the mat, place it down. The reason why I'm doing it like this because I don't want to get the hose misaligned. Did you hear that? Did you hear that snap? Oh yeah, it's in there. So take the next one, get in that hole, so we can get it aligned. Get it aligned as best as possible. Go to work. See, it's in there. Got it. Got that hole in there. We'll go ahead and pull that one out. See how it easily snaps out. Get the next one screwed in to get that one in place. Get that screwed in. Once again, get it snug so it doesn't move or whatever. Didn't have it in there. Okay, there we go. So we got that snug, got that one snug. And it's in place, just that simple. Hit that snap. One. Make sure it's two. So those are in there for the driver's side. So it's nothing hard. Go ahead and get the passenger side knocked out, and well, I get the passenger side floor mat. It's the same process as this one. With the passenger side, you want to put the back plate in first because of how it sits. Because if you don't, if you put this one in first, and let's say you get the alignment wrong, and let's say if it's too far up or whatever the case may be, it'll cover some of that. And you see the grooves here, you know what I'm saying, going up the plate. So it needs to not cover the drain plugs. So this has to go in first. And to put that in, you know, what you'll do is actually clean that, because on this side with this, it actually has a sticky film on the back. So you need to get yourself either some alcohol rub or I use acetone, you know what I'm saying, to clean it up real good. Or you can just use regular alcohol, it doesn't matter, just get the job done. Acetone or alcohol, whatever, on it. And just get to cleaning that off. Clean the surface off real good so I can have something to stick to. Just use the camera. So it has something to, you know, stick to, whatever. You see, that dirt is what came off of that. Take that off. That's all the sticky film there. Line good. As you can see, it's already in the groove. Get it aligned good. Once it's aligned, you'll press on it and get it sealed. See, now it's in there. Now you can start drilling your hose out. So you get that aligned. Start with the first one. Got that out. There it is, easy. There it is, guys. Nice, simple install. Take maybe 5 to 10 minutes, nothing more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. You know, let me know what you guys think. If there's anything as far as a slingshot coming to the channel, you know, you guys want to see it, let me know. I still have something coming for the charger. So, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have a blessed day.